Do you want to improve your posture? Let's delve into why that's a fantastic goal. Good posture is more than just standing tall. It's about aligning your body in a way that reduces strain on your muscles and ligaments. It's like the foundation of a building. Stable and well-aligned posture supports your overall health and well-being. Now, imagine your body as a complex machine. If one part is misaligned, it can throw off the entire operation. That's precisely what happens when we slouch, hunch our shoulders, or let our heads lean forward. These are common signs of bad posture, and they can lead to a host of issues. Think back pain, neck strain, and even breathing difficulties. Addressing these posture-related problems is critical. It's not just about looking confident, it's about taking care of your body in the long run. So how can you improve your posture? Stay tuned to find out. To address the problem, first we need to understand the causes. Picture this. You're sitting at your desk, hunched over, eyes glued to the screen. This, my friends, is a prime example of a sedentary lifestyle, one of the leading causes of poor posture. Without appropriate breaks and movement, our bodies tend to slump into unnatural positions, leading to a compromised stance. Next, imagine your workstation. Is your chair supporting your back? Is your computer at eye level? An improper workstation setup is another common culprit behind posture problems. Without the right support and alignment, our bodies learn to compensate in all the wrong ways. Lastly, lack of physical activity. When we neglect our body's need for regular movement and exercise, our muscles weaken, making it harder to maintain good posture. Strength and flexibility are key to upright posture, and without them, we're more prone to slouching. Identifying these causes is the first step towards improving your posture. Now that we know the causes, let's get into the solution. Exercises. First off, let's talk about wall slides. This is a simple yet effective exercise that can be done anywhere with a flat wall. Start by standing with your back against the wall, feet hip-width apart. Slowly slide down into a squat position, keeping your back pressed against the wall. Hold for a few seconds, then slide back up. This action engages and strengthens the muscles in your back and shoulders, aligning your spine and improving your posture over time. Next up, we have shoulder blade squeezes. This exercise targets the muscles between your shoulder blades, a critical area for maintaining a good posture. Stand or sit up straight, pull your shoulders back and down, as if you're trying to make your shoulder blades touch. Hold this position for a few seconds, then release. Repeat this process for a set of 10 to 15 times. Regularly practicing shoulder blade squeezes can lead to a more upright and confident posture. And last but not least, chin tucks. This exercise is designed to correct forward head posture, a common issue in today's tech-savvy world. Begin by standing or sitting upright. Gently pull your head straight back, keeping your eyes forward. It's like you're trying to make a double chin. Glamorous, I know. Hold this position for 5 seconds, then release. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. Regular chin tucks can help align your neck with the rest of your spine, leading to an overall better posture. Now, these are just a few examples of exercises that can help improve your posture. There's a whole plethora of other movements and stretches out there, but the key to remember here is regular practice. Like any other form of exercise, consistency is what brings about effective results. It's not about how much you can do in one day, it's about what you can sustain over a period of time. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to these exercises. Exercises are great, but what about the rest of the time? Enter ergonomics. Ergonomics, the study of people's efficiency in their working environment, can play a critical role in enhancing your posture. Imagine, if you will, spending hours hunched over a desk, your neck craned at an awkward angle to see your computer screen. Over time, this can lead to aches, pains, and yes, poor posture. An ergonomically correct workspace can help mitigate these issues. Let's start with your chair and desk. These everyday pieces of furniture can be your allies in the battle for better posture. The height of your chair should be adjusted so that your feet are flat on the ground, your knees are at a 90-degree angle, and your arms are level with your desk. This helps to maintain the natural curve of your spine, minimizing strain. Next, let's talk about your computer screen. Ideally, it should be at eye level, so you're not straining your neck upwards or downwards. If it's not, consider getting a stand or riser. And remember, the top of the screen should be at or slightly below eye level. Also, don't forget about the importance of taking regular breaks. Stand up, stretch, move around. Give your body a chance to reset and relax. A little bit of effort in setting up your workspace can go a long way in improving your posture. And remember, a healthy posture isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. So, let's recap what we've learned today. We kicked things off by emphasizing the importance of good posture. It's not just about looking confident, but it's also about maintaining your overall health and well-being. We also looked at how poor posture can lead to a host of problems, including back pain, neck strain, and even issues with digestion. Next, we delved into the various causes of bad posture. From slouching over your computer to carrying heavy bags, there's a myriad of factors that can contribute to this problem. But remember, knowledge is power. By identifying these triggers, you can take proactive steps to improve your posture. We then moved on to posture correction exercises. These simple yet effective routines can be done anywhere, anytime. From neck stretches to shoulder rolls, these exercises can help strengthen your muscles, improve your flexibility, and help you maintain good posture throughout the day. Lastly, we talked about the role of ergonomics in maintaining good posture. Setting up an ergonomically correct workspace can make a world of difference. From using a chair with proper back support to adjusting your computer screen to eye level, these small tweaks can have a big impact on your posture. With these tips in mind, you're on your way to improving your posture and overall health. Remember, it's never too late to start.